Hi kabaitis! Kumusta kayo dyan? And welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're gonna give you a quick room tour.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
So luxury resort, no hotel. Please come in.
Ooh.
Yeah. As you can see, we have light, of course. And turn on the light para maganda yung beauty. And then, umbrella. Yes. And, ano ba itong? Cabinet. Cabinet. Then we have the vault for safety deposit box. But I don't have cash, so I don't have to worry about it. Hangers. Okay, where you can put your bags. And there's another extra space where you can put all your stuff. And then here where you can put your, I think, food ata to. May mga food kayo, water, and of course give us alcohol and face mask. And here there are drawers. Look, there are cups and cup and saucer. They have coffee. What is this? Coffee. Yeah. Tea. They have tea. Yeah. And then, of course, they have sugar. Yeah, that's the name of the resort. Yeah. Later. And then we have another drawer here. What's this? Empty. And then here's. We have a small fridge, but there's not inside. And then you have to check all the drawers. Okay. Then you have heater. Oh, so cute. Look. This is cute. And then they have two glass. And then the last one is nice. I think if you have other stuff, you can put it there. Okay, so here, the beautiful mirror. Wow, char. Ang favorite ko. Maybe masira ako pa to, you know. But this is the remote for the AC, okay? And then here you have TV. I don't know how many inches is this. So yeah, TV and then all the stuff. And I don't know how to open this. I don't think so. This one we can open that one. I don't know. Okay, and then here vanity. Wow, my vanity. Pinaka favorite place ko sa hotel, vanity, yung may vanity char. Char yung mukhang feeling beautiful. See? O yan o, ang ganda ko, di ba?
Oh my God!
See, as you can see, oh. Alright. Yan. Yan, chair, and then we have also, and this area where you can do your, what? Eating. It's naman obvious, diba? Dito kayo kakain, ayan, magmuni-muni kayo, kung ano mga discussion nyo dyan. Okay, and then, the bed. I'm gonna show you how the bed look like, okay? But this is, I think this is large bed, right? Queen bed. Yeah, this is queen bed, and they have also extra one. The standard twin, yeah. Twin bed, yeah. Only one lang, so not twin. But this is the standard for bed daw, Bisaya, bed for standard, right? So we only book for large bed, but they give us these two. So amazing, thank you for that. And here have a lamp. So and then they have, of course, always have notes and yeah. If you rate them, yes, you can rate them. Give them stars, whatsoever. Okay. We have pen, we have this paper. If you will have something to request for. And then phone. And then what is here? Empty. And then we have still drawer, of course. The most important thing in our daily lives. Holy Bible. Yes, we have this Holy Bible. And that's it. So that's our bed. Our room. Our bed. How do you call that one? Our bed pile. But there's more. There's more kabaibis. We have a balcony where you can see the beautiful how do you call it, a beautiful area of the resort. Yeah, some part of it. Yeah. So let's open it. This is a sliding door. Sliding door. Sliding door. Yon. Then we use the light. Oh, sorry. This is window. Okay, to open. How to open this? So there's I don't know this place.
Pull it to the top. Top. Wait.
Huh?
Put it into the top.
Kabaibis.
And then push. Pull like this.
Huh? I push. Let's pull it. I'm gonna show you the small balcony in our room. Yeah. Okay, here. Yes, they have where you can sit down. I know, table and then chair. Where you can have your coffee in the morning or in the evening. You can do some stuff, whatever you want to do. Just muni outside. Yeah, you can see the valley over there. Yeah, it's the valley, and then I don't know. This is the entrance, right? Entrance here, the valley. That's it. Because we are in the 3rd floor. Yeah, 3rd floor. So not too high, but it's fine. Okay, so that's it for our balcony, and then close it na. So so our hindi natin kakalimutan na ating CR. Now we're gonna show you the CR and how can it look like and kung ano meron sa CR nila, if you know. Kasi even me, I am interested to know what is inside and ano yung mga toiletries and whatsoever. So, hindi natin pa tatagalin pa. Let's go to the CR. Let's take a look. Look, come on. So when you enter, yeah, it's here the mirror. Again, the mirrors always have mirrors. That's what I like it, you know. And then of course, wow, they have blower. Look. But I am lazy to do that, so I don't think so that's necessary for me. Okay. So they have soap, hand soap. Oh, now they have toiletries. Wow, amazing. So we're gonna, what is inside? What is it? Shower cup. They have shower cup. Here, I will. Yeah, shower cup, and then they have dental kit, and then they have 2 towels, face towel. Yeah, for the face. Okay. And they have shampoo, they have refreshing conditioner, and moisturizing lotion. Sorry. Moisturizing lotion. Okay, and they have glass for if you brush your teeth. Okay, and then, so now the bowl. And I showed him the bowl, but this is not automatic. Of course, it's the bowl. They have the bidet and then the bowl. That's amazing. And then one more thing is they have phone here. Yeah, they have phone. In case of emergency, while you are pooping or doing some, you know, self stuff inside the CR, if you have some emergency or, you know, may mga hindi kayong kanis-nais na naramdaman, you can call here. Yeah, I think this is just a local phone. Yeah. Local phone. You have 2 tissue. That's good. Yeah. We're gonna take a bath. But you don't have bathtub. They have this. The mirror thing. I don't know what is the correct name of this one. Here in the aquarium. But I don't know how you're gonna put this. What is the name of this, Dani?
I don't know.
I don't know. So I don't know. So basta ito na yon. Mirror na liguan. Ayan o. Amazing. Wow. So you can do like this. Wow. Wow, diba? Oh, amazing. You have also soap here and then hot and cold shower. Oh yes, that's nice. I can call this one is a luxury resort. Yeah, it's nice. But I don't have the bathtub. Maybe another type of room. What room is this?
Superior.
A superior. Yeah, this is a superior room, kabaibis. So kabaibis, I totally forgot where we can. What was the name of the resort? This we checked in at Hennan Resort in Panglao, Bohol. This is our first time, of course, to celebrate a simple celebration of the Hearts Day because today is February 14th. So we stay here for one night. And
Love you.
mwah, I love you all. Happy Hearts Day. So now we're gonna enjoy our day, and then because we only have one night here in the hotel, so we can enjoy. And I hope you guys also have a how do you call that one? Lovely and
And a pleasant day.
Hearts Day to everyone, to your family and everyone. Thank you so much, Kabaibis, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best.